If the curve ay plus x square is equals to 7, x cube is equals to y, cut orthogonally at 1 comma 1, then the value of a is, okay, first option 1, second option 0, option C minus 6, option D 6. Okay, so here what is given? So first write it. Okay, so given, okay, so given ay plus x square is equals to 7, this is one equation, and one more equation is x cube is equals to y, this is the another equation, this is the another equation. Okay, so now I am differentiating this function. Now I am differentiating this function, okay, with respect to x. A is outside, d by dx of y plus d by dx of x square, okay, is equals to d by dx of 7, d by dx of 7. Okay, so now, okay, d by dx of 7. So a is as it is, and here dy by dx as it is, and x square, derivative of x square, x power n formula we are going to apply here. 2 into x power 2 minus 1 is equals to d by dx of constant. Constant derivative is 0. Constant derivative is 0. Okay, now a into dy by dx is equals to, okay, 2 into x power 2 minus 1 means that is 2x, plus 2x I am taking to right side, so it becomes minus 2x. Okay, now dy by dx is equals to minus 2x divided by a, minus 2x divided by a. This is the slope. This is the slope. Dy by dx is only called as slope, also called as slope of a line. Okay, slope of a curve. Okay, so this is only, okay, so called slope. Slope m at this particular point is asking. Okay, slope, okay, so slope at 1 comma 1. If you want slope at 1 comma 1, I am writing this as m1. Okay, minus 2x by a at 1 comma 1. So just substitute x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. We have only x terms in this. Minus 2 into x, x means 1 divided by a. So that means minus 2 divided by a. Minus 2 divided by a. Now I am taking the second function. So here another equation is x cube is equals to y. Now again I am differentiating this function. D by dx of x cube is equals to d by dx of y. Okay, so here x cube derivative, x power n formula, that is 3 into x power 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equals to dy by dx. So dy by dx only the slope. Slope m is equals to dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to 3x square. 3x square. Slope at 1 comma 1. Okay, he is asking slope at 1 comma 1. This is equals to 3x square. Okay, at 1 comma 1. Okay, substitute 1 comma 1 in place of x and x value or y value. There is no y, so 3 into 1 square, that is nothing but 3 only. Okay, so this is the second slope of the curve, second curve. So that's why I am taking this as m2.
Can you
Okay.
explain me slope and
Slope is nothing but derivative dy by dx. Okay, if we differentiate the function y, the dy by dx only called as slope. The dy by dx value only slope value here. Okay, but particularly he is asking slope at a point. One point is given, so we are finding the slope of that curve at that particular point. Means this point we substitute, okay, in the derivative solution, means dy by dx value. After differentiating, we substitute that 1 comma 1. Okay, so x value is 1, so y is not there, so no need to substitute the y value here. Okay, so after getting this, so orthogonal, if they cut orthogonally, what is the value of a? This is the question here. Okay, so that means if they cut orthogonally, what is the formula? Okay, so this is important here. Okay, if two curves are orthogonal, okay, orthogonally if they cut, okay, orthogonally, okay, then what is the formula here? The formula is m1 into m2 is equals to -1. m1 into m2 is equals to -1 is the formula here. What is the m1 here? Okay, m1 is the first slope, that is -2 by a, minus 2 by a. Okay, what is m2? Second slope. Okay, second slope is 3. Second slope is 3. Okay, so write the 3 here and is equals to -1. Take this a to that side. Here a is dividing. If you take it to that side, multiplies. Okay, -6 is equals to minus a. So what is the value of a? The value of a is 6. Okay, so here once again I'll explain briefly what is given in the question. Okay, so if the curve ay plus x square is equals to 7 and x cube is equals to y, cut orthogonally at 1, 1, then the value of a is, first I am taking the first curve and second curve equation. Okay, after taking the curve equations, what I am doing here? Okay, I am finding the dy by dx values. I am finding the dy by dx. Why I am finding the dy by dx? Slope, he particularly, okay, so he gave that they are orthogonal. Orthogonal means, okay, the product of the slopes is equals to -1. This is the formula. Means for that we want the slopes m1 and m2. What is this? How to find the slope? dy by dx, only slope here. Derivative of the function is only called slope of the function, slope of the curve. Okay, so that's why I am differentiating the function with respect to x on both sides. Okay, so after differentiating, so we are getting the value of dy by dx. Okay, after getting the value, okay, substitute the given point 1, 1. Okay, so in this, okay, if you substitute the 1, 1 in this, we are getting the slope of the first curve, that is m1, and take the second curve equation and we're differentiating. We use the formula dy by dx of x power n formula n into x power n minus 1. After that, okay, this is only the slope. Slope means dy by dx only. Okay, and I substituted the point also, given point here. Okay, so after substituting, we'll get the exact value of the slope, that is 3. And after getting that, so orthogonally, given that the two curves cuts orthogonally. Orthogonally means m1 into m2 is equals to -1 is the formula here. Okay, I'm multiplying m1 and m2, that is equal to -1. Okay, so that means the value of a is 6. The value of a is 6. Okay, this is the required. Okay, so here the question is given as the curve y is equals to x to the power 1 by 5 has at 0, 0. First option is a vertical tangent parallel to y-axis. Second option B, a horizontal tangent parallel to x-axis. Option C, an oblique tangent. Option D is no tangent. Okay, so what is given curve here? So first to take that given curve, that is y is equals to x to the power 1 by 5. 1 by 5. I am differentiating the function now. So dy by dx. If you want to get that, we have to find the slope. Okay, nature of the tangent means we have to find the slope of the tangent. Okay, that means dy by dx. If you find the dy by dx based on the dy by dx value, okay, so we can find the property here. So I am finding the dy by dx. Dy by dx of y is equals to d by dx of x to the power 1 by 5. D by dx of x to the power 1 by 5. It is x power n formula. We are going to use x power n formula. What is x power n formula? 1 by 5 into x to the power 1 by 5 minus 1. X power, okay, so n into x power n minus 1. Okay, whatever the formula we are using, just to better note down the formula so that it will be easy for you. Okay, d by dx of x power n formula is n into x to the power n minus 1 is the formula here. Okay, so that is nothing but 1 by 5 is as it is, x to the power LCM is 5 and 1 minus 5 ones are 5. Okay, this is equals to 1 by 5 into x to the power 1 minus 5 is minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. This is the value of dy by dx. This is the value of dy by dx. Okay, so here this is the slope, but he is asking the slope at Okay, so point is given 0, comma 0. Just substitute 0, comma 0 in place of x. Okay, so now slope m, okay, at 0, comma 0, at 0, comma 0. That means, okay, so 1 by 5 into, okay, so x to the power 1 minus 4 by 5, we can write as x to the power, okay, 1 by x to the power plus 4 by 5. And whatever the point here, 0, comma 0. Now I am substituting the 0, comma 0 in place of x and y. So we don't have y, so x is 0 and power 4 by 5. Whatever it is, in the denominator, 0 power something or 0 into something, whatever it is, we get 1 by 0. Something by 0 is always infinitive, undefined form. Okay, so in which case we get undefined form? Okay, so the slope is nothing but tan theta. Slope is nothing but tan theta value. Okay, so when tan theta is infinitive, that is nothing but tan 90 degrees. Okay, slope is nothing but tan theta, so tan 90 is infinity. Okay, slope okay, also we represent with m is equals to tan theta. So that's why, okay, I'm equating with the tan theta, so tan 90. So tan 90 is nothing but it is vertical. It is vertical tangent and parallel to y-axis. Okay, so this is the correct option here. Okay, what is the correct option? Option A is the correct one. Understood? Okay, so here, the tangent to the curve y is equals to e to the power 2x at the point 0, comma 1 meets x axis at. Okay, so what is given in this? Okay, so given that y is equals to e to the power 2x is the given curve. Okay, I am differentiate this function now. If we differentiate this function, d by dx of y is equals to d by dx of e to the power 2x. Okay, here tangent, he asked about the tangent. Related to tangent, slope of tangent we are finding means dy by dx. Okay, so e power x formula. What is e power x formula? E power x only means e power 2x means e power 2x. Okay, but in place of x we have 2x. In place of x, if we have any other function, already we discussed. Okay, internal derivative. Okay, so whatever the function we have, we differentiate that function again. Chain rule, d by dx of 2x, that is extra. Okay, so that means e power 2x as it is, and into 2 into d by dx of x is 1. Okay, 2 ones are 2. 2 into e to the power 2x. This is the value of dy by dx. Okay, this is the value of slope. This is the value of slope. M is equals to, but point is also given. He gave the point also. Okay, slope at 0, comma 1. Slope at 0, comma 1 is equals to m1 is equals to 2 into e power 2x. Okay, at 0, comma 1. At 0, comma 1. I am substituting x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1. There is no y, so substitute x equals to 0. 2 into e to the power 2 into 0. That means 2 into e power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. Okay, so that means 2 into 1. So that value is okay equal to 2. This is the slope. This is the slope of the tangent. Okay, we know the slope and point. Slope point form general straight line equation. Okay, normal straight line equation. Okay, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. What is the formula? General formula. Okay, when we know the slope and point, y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Yes, I'll repeat again. So here the formula for finding the straight line equation. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Okay. Now we know the point and slope. Okay, substitute the values y minus. Okay. Okay, here this is x1 and okay x1 and it is y1 and this is m value. Okay, I am substituting the values here. Okay, y minus y1 is equals to m into 2 into x minus x1, that is 0. Okay, 2 into x minus 0 is x, 2 into x is 2x. Take this okay terms to left side or right side. Okay, so if I take okay these left side terms to right side, then plus y becomes minus y, minus 1 becomes plus 1, and equal to 0, equal to 0. Okay, this is the straight line equation, tangent equation of the tangent. Okay, if it meets the x-axis, that is the question here. Okay, so here if it meets the x-axis, if it meets x-axis, if it meets the x-axis, y coordinate 0 on the x-axis, y coordinate 0, all the y coordinate 0 on y-axis, x coordinate 0. Okay, so this is meeting the x-axis means y coordinate is 0. Okay, y coordinate is equal to 0. Okay, so that means equating the y coordinate to 0. Okay, or we are taking the y is equal to 0. Substitute y is equal to 0 in this, 2 into x minus 0, okay, plus 1 equal to 0. That means 2x is equals, taking this plus 1 to that side minus 1, x is equals to minus 1 by 2. This is the x value. Now he is asking the point, right? Okay, the tangent to the curve at the point 0, comma 1 meets x-axis at, okay, he is asking the point. Options, he gave the options as 0 comma 1, minus 1 by 2 comma 0, so 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2. What is the correct point here? Okay, therefore it meets the x-axis. Required point, what is the required point here? X comma y. Okay, always we write the x value first, then y value. X value is minus 1 by 2 and y value, okay, that already we discussed. Y value, y is equals to 0, y coordinate is 0. So on x-axis y coordinate 0, so minus 1 by 2 comma 0, option B it is. Okay,